So today I have the new Jimmy B Winch R9 reverse osmosis water purifier system. And this one looks pretty nice. Let's go ahead and open it up and try it out. Now they did send this one over for me to test and share with you guys. So we do have our user manual and everything here in a nice little book. We got our little drip tray. Box of something. The carafe or pitcher. Another little box of something. All right, so first off, it looks fancy. Here's our little cover. And in here, we have another pitcher. Now this one has 3 different filter cartridges. That's a little different compared to the other ones I've done. And so we have a microfiber activated carbon, so M2S. I think that's more for like flavor. And then we have our reverse osmosis, our RO. And then we have our activated carbon mineralized filter. So that's pretty cool. You do get 2 pitchers, so I'm assuming one will be, you could fill it up, put it in the fridge, and then you could have another one to get it filled as well. All right, so first use, we got to flush it just like any of the other ones. So fill the water tank, the raw tank, with our tap water. And then, yeah, so let me get that filled up and then we'll get that started. And this is a pretty nice sized tank. All right, let's get our tank installed and then turn this on or plug it in and we'll see what that screen shows. All right, so it's sucking the water. Now this is definitely a high-tech system. Oh, what's also cool, water heat. You got the source TDS, pure TDS. We can choose different temperatures of water, which is really cool. We got 60 milliliters all the way up to 500 milliliters. And then this one is telling us that the source TDS is, yeah, I mean, that's about right. It's a little over 300. And once this is complete, we're going to dump both the pure water and the source water, and then we're going to do this again. All right, so after that one, we want to dump both this and this tank. And you're going to want to repeat this 3 to 5 times. And you will see that it'll be less and less entering the water from those filters as well. So this is the 3rd time, and the water is looking a heck of a lot cleaner. And we will do one more after this. I forgot to mention this also has a UV light that cleans the water as it's entering the tank as well. All right, so after you do your flushing, you're also going to want to do a hot flush too. So we're going to hit the 200, and then we're going to go ahead and dispense it. There's a little red light that comes on when you're doing heat as well. You can shut it off just by tapping it again. Without any heat selected, it will be ambient temperature at that point. Hit it again, manually turn it on and off, and then of course you can adjust the temperature and dispense hot again. Both my daughters are big tea drinkers, so they're going to love this. And then when you got how much you want, go ahead and stop it. Now the other thing that's pretty cool, like I mentioned with that other pitcher, so this one's full. We can take this and we can go throw this in the fridge, and then we can go ahead and throw the next one in, and then that one's going to go ahead and fill up. So you'll have 2 of them ready. And it does fit pretty nicely up here on the shelf. So this is definitely the nicest water purifier system that I have tried out. I really like that it has both the regular and it has hot. My daughters are going to absolutely love this because they are constantly making hot water for tea. Now this is rated up to 1500 watts and 12 amps, and that's going to be mostly for that heating element. Now that'll be my quick unbox and demo of the Jimmy R9. I think it's a really nice system. I love that it has the hot water. My daughters are going to absolutely love that. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.